Ever series, hot news, all time, latest, and hot news. Aramde Bramo. NDC won a parliamentary candidate for Awutu Senya East constituency. Odonone Hawa Koomson Edibesi Akanya year 2024. Now Okupio Captain Smart to mediate so Emma Wadi and Samatia. Mami Atta Sammy brain Sema Sisi wo a fire Hawa Koomson Wadinina Atuga. Now say the boy and 7 minutes. So we can subscribe ya message over subscribe. Odi obaya da say over click the subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We na sa new video bia no also will sa can be. Afi bia na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma offer so na onya bi na won hwe. Afi ye mbura ensemi. Phyllis Naa Koryoo okuno ono na ye parliamentary candidate Awutu Senya East ama ye NDC na no na one Hawa Koomson 2024 general election when the BCN wo na utim say yes ha constituency no of hye papa na we na ye mami ebopin ye captain smart wodi ensem tu bia captain bisa ne say denti emane eto eyetu na wodan sembe simbi esisi ewo ho no mo eye Awutu Senya ho no eye Hawa Koomson tu obo ye minima bi motorbikes ahihye o bonko fa sumuni ade chese utuse ensem esisi wo ho no enya esenketwa na we no amene chese eye be bia otona ba no eye police station no eben the fie no ye 2 houses away from the bio wo no na utuse drew about what they ho no ho ye hye papa mama de ensem be apigwa fa ye Hawa Koomson no na ye nsemre no ye mopine no ye tie ye ensema wo ne captain smart edi ye efa ye Hawa Koomson no ye tie ensema ekoso ntie ne ensema
Dent na ototu.
Oh, say, I am of sound mind.
Okay.
One, I am of sound mind.
Okay.
And menye akola. So, me to me atotu. So far as I go the legal way to have it registered, licensed, yes. So I am saying I am of sound mind because obia per the lobby sebi wadring kakrano. You cannot purchase a weapon.
That's right.
It's a metal weapon say me amebo me hoban because a jumana ye no you might not know what would happen. 2020, 2019. Nyama bebre esi wo kaswa.
And then they see.
Say first one a year somewhere July. No, first one no a year 2019. Yeah, registration in July. Hawa ebebo to our registration center. So registration center yeah for Step to Christ. It is just 2 houses away from my house. Maybe I'm meeting a honey registration center never.
Okay.
And now obebo to or she motorbikes. Yeah, party for motorbikes. 3.
Okaso she ono na she no.
We say ordering call for no only tax.
All right.
It's almost she motorbikes 3. And yeah, now we could all attest say Omo granting the interviews where she admitted say onwana obotu no. No benya adikwa obotu. Motorbikes ni. We did a complaint. On one num kasa na yeah she said it herself expressly. Okay. Say on one 2 no. Na omo arrested no. Omo anya na hwe. Ye bisa no say it was for her self defense. Motorbikes here ye share. Nothing was done about it. I had to go and buy the motorbikes and replace it. Am I for na ye share motorbikes no. Na over down 2020 and yes 2020 on 10th July the same atona yesi we prano the same atono at the Boku boys eko amuzu kope and also a polling center ewo Adam Nana ward Emma or the boys ne eko bu ye nipa bia ye frene prosper ama ono so ni timo paipaye and also visuals and also yeah complaints and also ya anti hoshe. Then aside that no on 2020 where the na world news me makoto ma ba e my registration center which is still the Step to Christ me to ma ba wie me free ho me call monitoring on the other centers. Me who say Hawa Koomson a car which is a Land Cruiser a betray fast, but to the God that gives me wisdom on election day me use me car me rent a cars by your phone and me use into obetwa me ho no mu nim say e me na me nam ho, but I think say later no pick it I'll say enya me car na me use. I'm using white. I was using 4 white cars. And one na me who say omo aye U10. Apparently no me call fie me call video ye camera no. They came to my house anopano. Omo betwa U10 e wo me gates and no pay. CCTV cameras captured them before they went to step to Christ and they were told say me movie. It's omo pa ye kan ho. We ignored. And I ye call it's now ye call CP side. Just within some 2 minutes, and who say car was coming back at top speed. It's the air bay. I want to say almost stop in the middle of the road. In Kwaku 3, a true pistol pump actions started shooting at my convoy. 7th December, 9 a.m. 2020.
They were shooting directly
at my convoy. Directly at my convoy. Now, media guys. In Kofu prior. Media guys, come home. Now, me year rounds no. Now, my communication officer, not me car in the front. Now, because I was using 4 or 5 cars. Guy back, your friend Latif. Then son make us say that ye shame. That ye and son.
Was a gunshot?
Yes, gunshots. Guy back on so or take animal not 100 and sunny say. In seeing the fingers need 2 dear, a call cry.
And also a bullet.
And also a gun bullet. Then a bullet also went into 2 of my cars. Engine into break it down at once. And
2020
2027 on election day. 7 December on election day. On election day. I have videos and everything.
Oh, videos
no videos, more be
okay.
2020. It's yes, and you make key reports to the police station. In fact, not investigations Koso. Then at a point, the regional crime officer now or share case it say Ruben Okra Aibedimbi. Omokache is on drop case. When he refused.
On drop case and saying, gunshot case
Yes.
On drop case
On drop case. Or if you see a pair, would be a sirifi. Yes. Or drop case nepe, he was transferred to the Eastern region. One drop case and almost transfer to the Eastern region. And one said it is so yeah the docket that was the end of the case. That was the end of the case. Inti yante hushi biom ukoye follow up they don't know anything. We have ukwa ofre we ya omu nimshe na ekoso. It's been really tough for the people of Awutu Senya East constituency and the happenings are also from 2019 na ABC ene. It hasn't been easy. So wow share not even I think a month or some few weeks before this incident happened. Now Munya Bema Bako Kwame Menka XYZ or Baho Anopano to take an interview where my many catcher is or no dear on Pese Gidi Ebebaho. But the funny thing is, even a day before that interview, now on one kasa nensa abo obi asum ewo ground so at the registration center.
Oh.
Hawa Koomson. On one kasa nensa abo obi asum ewo registration. I am saying this emphatically. Hoodoo, the guy she slapped is called Hoodoo. Oyi nensa ebo nasum at the enye kukuomo. It wasn't in private.
I hope say Hoodoo Amonibi.
Wambonibi, a very fine gentleman. Wambonibi. Oyinensa ebo Hoodoo asum ewo registration center. And I know everyone is quiet about it. Say when we talking of asumdria, I think the leadership now, Awutu Senya East constituency no, MPP leadership no, MY Kaswafo. Because you see, baby, ye juno, and na politics na ye no, and your politics was say, only sebio maybe krameya ne baba, only me bekun, na wape in call for say omun kokuno, and all those things. We'll say, we want say ye benya developments our constituency has say. E hona ye wono, ejume ni ho, there are no jobs. Or share the demographics of Awutu Senya East constituency now. Population no 80% a youth. Now youth no omunye ejumanye. But if jobs are created our constituency ni mohona, I tell you say the youth will be more than happy. Because obi wohona the salary 500 cedis. At the end of the day say onye ejuma ewo Accra. So 500 cities would not even cater for transportation in and out. I am saying this because I am an example. Me ye juma what TV3 has say. Not me take aswa. Me car. Yes. Me car. They be about on and off. So I know how much. Yes. I know how much we spend on transportation in and out. Looking at the distance and even looking at the traffic, it doesn't even make productive sense. And see, this is the time, say inka, ni papimono, we will sit down as leaders. Na yen dream the way ye bet to me, abua constituency no. Na ye build a constituency. Na ya ma investors abe investing so that we can get the factories, the companies in the constituency. Na ye mbebru monsho, omonchumi enya ejuma na ye creating no. Not tax and the revenues no will be kept to maintain the constituency. But I wanted year.
Who GDS will be to me on this year's elections?
I am more than confident.
All right, so 2020 elections, this year Nanado will not be contesting. Nanado had 57,555, representing 52.26% in that constituency. John Dramani Mahama had 51,415, representing 46.68%. And then Mavis Hawa Koomson 2020 had 57,114. And then Phyllis Naa Koryoo Okuno had 51,561. So like 57, 51. A difference of just about 6,000 votes. It might be less than that, but 6,000 difference. Now I understand why
even 6,000 difference. That one came with all the machinations and the intimidations and what have you. When I say machinations, you understand. Things that went on, we know, but we are not here to speak about that. We are here to correct our mistakes to win the 7th December elections. But the machinations and the intimidations that happened, even with 6,000. So if, let's say, plus and minus, let's take the machinations and intimidations out. This is Asa and Rebecca. It's for the public to judge.
All right. May I say your story, Nina? Ubibeka say a one-side story. Okay, that's it. Ya ton safra woman so. Ya hwe kwan se na wotwe woman so beba. Omo ba wi ya be kan mienu na abom so abom. Na fe the owokusa no we busa the yonko. But I think that Ghana is a very small country and we've not gotten to a point that, you know, electoral insecurity into, as I said, parliamentary candidates from both sides would have bandits, thugs, wielding machetes and all sorts of weapons at various polling stations. It doesn't make sense anywhere. And I think, sir, we've come by far from 1992, 7 December till today. I think, sir, you drew baby. I a policy for someone fair kakra. Going by what Phyllis just told us, I think the police were just there to show where the power lies. I mean, and I think it's not nice. And you're fair. And you may, I am one Hawa Koomson or a deaconess. Or a Church of Pentecost deaconess.
Me a Church of Pentecost. Yes.
Also could be.
Pa.
Oh. Me and you Pentecost for.
Oh no, you're Methodist, no, you're
Pentecost. Oh, you're Pentecost, no. Oh, you're Methodist.
Yeah, me a Pentecost.
I know you're Methodist. Yeah. And now we're Pentecost. Okay. To Methodist, funny Pentecost for. Sure. Methodist funny Pentecost for. And you're fair. And you're fair. See, we should never course so. Sa limited registration ho and the transfer of votes. Maybe say it's a back of one account. Ya titi ya na wa start na the same body trim mabu nti den na nipa mienu kontokwa na ya che baako the police for ni gina ho onye bibia ono mom nkrofo ato ahye ne so no na o regional police commander ka ho
try divisional ka ho
na ya say ya kwache ono e de ono akoto cell but the nano no ono afa to bom pay ono ye ne den ana ye minister ntra ye yesa eno na ye mem ha asomdwe no wanhwe aya na ye de ya no keke na e ka no nhwa obia be ye de ope ye du ba bia esese ye nuano ma police for ye pamacho rank ekosora eye ba rank bia nchen se wa retirement na wabetena community na wasomdwo many imposing be a call time to betna chimota. When did 3 months? Upa bisadada kedi yoba haya. When did 3 months? On what to we? Yate answer wabetna Tantra Hills wo baby. When the afe on what to we? Because which said where the power lies wabra you nim send assembly green in blue ni. Now what shada dani green no blue no what dani blue ni green ada ho beche wo community no ye will be a man. More reference when you go on retirement, your uniform also retire. We are security officer, fatu trim. I said we Peter Namfuri. Then now O2 post before no catch on. I said when you retire, your uniform also go on retirement. When you die, we'll give it to you. Mamu nyesa. Kaswa you say honjo. Police phone him. But ye nya ho hwe. Soldier phone him. Ye nya ho hwe. Aban mu mpani phone him. Yen ho hwe national security for nim yen ho hwe na yatena ho saa be usa de no agye ensem he ni so ate wan
yo before winning and somewhere Phyllis Naa Koryoo on the parliamentary candidate my NDC Awutu Senya East na wode and somewhere to dia akoso constituency wo ni na Hawa Koomson in somewhere akoso constituency na wadani na because DC so and our hero so we now subscribe ya let's just say over subscribe when I like it now I share video ama awful for so in your na wash also betting actually wagging a fire and some way down comment box in mobile interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.